Okay, now let's see what we. So, like last video was about installing Julia. This video is about REPL. Okay, REPL stands for actually read, eval, print loop. That is like you just type in some command, let's say like okay, this is a Julia REPL. Okay, so let me just put Control L, Control D. Okay, yeah. Let me just put Julia. So this will launch the REPL, provided the settings are right. So REPL is this one. You just put some command. This Julia REPL, that is, it'll read what is 1 plus 2, evaluate it as 3, and it'll print it out as 3. And once again, it'll loop back. Like it first asks the prompt, right? It just asks the prompt, like Julia prompt. So once again, it loops back to the prompt. Okay, so this keeps on going on and on. So that's why it's called as REPL, read, eval, print loop. Okay, so that's how it is. So we're just going to look basics of it. So what it is. So let me just refer to my blog because I just want to stick with it. So yeah. So okay, we have just put 1 plus 2, and we are just putting like okay, like x equals 3 and y equals 4. Okay, yeah, this tells a lot. Okay, so this is two statements in Julia in one line. So we are assigning 3 to a variable x and 4 to a variable y. And yeah, so this equal to stands for assignment. Uh, so you can give some variable names like let's say like you are selling 50 mangoes. So and a mango cost 10 rupees. So you can put mangoes is equal to 50, price is equal to 10, and then compute on like as though you're using as though it's very natural language. So that's one advantage of programming language. You can assign what to say some name to values. So that's there. Okay, so this has been done. Okay, yeah, anyway, it just prints the last value. So y is equal to 4. Yeah, it just prints the value 4. So, like, okay, so now what we are doing, like, we are putting 3x plus 4y. So, this is how you write in algebra, right? When you are in school and all those things. This is how you will write algebra, right? Yeah. Okay, so 3x plus 4y, and it's 25. And yeah, you shouldn't have any space or something like that, and that's how it is. And there is a symbol to multiply, that is star. In almost every programming language in computers, it is multiplication is star. So that's how it is. And let me do something like okay, like okay, okay. Uh, uh, Okay, and R is 3600 seconds. So let me find what is pi R is, right? Oh yeah, that's good, right? And that's not at all bad. Okay, so that's how. And let me put x5. Okay, yeah, that's an error. So that's how it is. So that's how Julia works, right? So yeah, so I put that, and x dot y also doesn't work. X star y does work. Okay, yeah, we can put like that. X star y. In almost every programming language, star means multiplication. So that's how it is. So okay, now look, 4 by 3 radius cube. So how does that work? So and sorry, it's 4 by 3 pi radius cube. So how does that work? So and how we are typing in pi. So I'll just show you. So what is radius? Okay, radius is 7. RAD. Okay, I'll just put rad. Okay, I'm just really lazy. 7, right? And let me put Control L so that like I can clear my screen so that I feel comfortable with it. Okay, so now what I'm just trying to do is like 4 by 3, and to type pi, I type backslash and type pi and type tab, right? So that's how I type pi, right? Or I can just type it like this, backslash pi tab. It becomes pi and what I put radius cube. Yeah, I'm finding the volume. Yeah, RAD cube because oh here I've given it as right. Okay. RAD cube, right? So that's how it is. And shall we see whether it works with spaces? Yeah, fine, perfect, right? Not at all a problem. You can put space over here, but I don't recommend space over here and all. Like, but for me, it doesn't look nice to read. But maybe you can. Like, it all depends. Like, how everybody has their own opinion how a program should be written and how it looks good and all those things. So yeah, so maybe you can. And so that's how it is. And yeah, so there is a thing called type of. So that will tell you a type of whatever thing is like. Type of pi is irrational. Type of 4 is hiding integer or something. Yeah, it is integer 64. And there are a lot of types like integer 8 and all those things. Look, Julia was designed to be efficient. So if you don't want to move 64 bits or 8 bytes around, you can just make it like int 8 or something like that and all those things. So that thing Julia gives. So what you can do is you can write a Julia program that will be very inefficient. Then whenever there is lot of processing or a lot of data that needs to be processed or a lot of computation that needs to be done, then you can slightly tweak the program to make it a bit efficient. So that's where this two language problem and all goes out. Like you can just have Julia and tweak Julia and finish it off. And but if you're writing in Python and something that calls a lower level library and all those things, you might need to change your language itself, or sometimes even substitute certain blocks with C, C++, or something like that. That's pain, right? So that's where Julia leads. Okay, so and there is a thing called something like rational number. So if you just put 22 by 7, the slash stands for division. Okay, so okay, yeah. Let me just tell you all the operators. Okay, this is addition. This is subtraction, and okay, 1 minus 2. Yeah, that's subtraction. This is multiplication, 1 star 2, and this is division, 1 by 2. Okay, right? So, and this is a rational. So if you just put like type of and answer. So answer is nothing but 1 by 2, right? ANS. Okay, so that's a very convenient variable Julia provides. Okay, so type of answer. So I don't know whether I've told about this answer in my blog. I don't think so because I didn't know. I only discovered it 2 days ago or something like that or something. Okay, so and yeah, so now let's say like you're just putting 1 plus 41. Okay, that's the ultimate thing answer to the entire universe. That is 42, right? You want to know why 42 is the ultimate answer to the ultimate question, possibly you can see this. Okay. Okay. The ultimate answer, right? So you can see this video, possibly, yeah, I'll just try to give link and you can know why this started. Okay, I think this video is good. It's a bit longer too, so that's how it is. I'll try to give the link, right? So that's how it is. Okay. So okay, let's say like you just want to end it. Like you don't want to find the ultimate answer because if you find the ultimate answer, there's no point. Okay, like you found everything that's there in you. So all you just need to do is put Control C. So that's it. So what will happen is it won't evaluate that 1 plus 41 and it'll just come to the next one. So that's how it is. Just put Control C to if you have typed something wrong or something like this, put Control C. If you want to clear it, put Control L, and that's how it is. And if you want to come out of Julia REPL, I forgot to tell that, put Control D, right? So if you had seen my videos and all or something previous videos, I never told you how to come out of Julia REPL. That's very nasty thing, right? You just go into something and you don't know how to come out. Like you just go into a very nightmarish dream, and if the dream goes on and never comes out, so it's not going to be a pleasure experience. So just put Control D to come out of Julia report. So that's how it is. And yeah, I found out like how I in my last video I said like in ZSHRC I added this one, right? I just found out how it is. Like apart from Julia REPL, what you can do is like if you have installed in Mac, so you can type Julia and you'll just get something like this. So over here, look, it says application Julia and all this stuff, right? So I think this is what I have put it sure. And I've only put till bin, this Julia bin. right? That is still this one. Okay, so Mac users, so that's it. Please don't use Mac, but okay, yeah, but by some way, if you are using Mac, yeah, you have to do this, right? It's not as elegant as Linux. There is GNU Linux, right? Anyway, I hope you have enjoyed this video, or if not enjoyed, if your boss is forcing you to write Julia code, you watch this video by some way. Okay. Anyway, like, thanks for watching. Bye.